Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 10th chapter 7 coordinate geometry, we are going to learn about section formula and midpoint formula. Students, first of all we will see the formula and then we will apply all these two formula. Okay students, here is been the first one, section formula. Let P and Q be the given 2 points, right? P and Q 2 points hai, and their coordinates are x1 and y1. Means coordinate of P is x1, y1 and coordinate of Q is x2, y2, right students? M be the point dividing the line segment PQ internally. M जो point है वो लाइन सेगमेंट पी क्यू को इंटरनली डिवाइड कर रहा है कौन से रेशियो में, m:n रेशियो में. देन फ्रॉम द सेक्शन फार्मूला ऑफ द डिटरमाइनिंग द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द पॉइंट m. सो सेक्शन फार्मूला कैन बी डिटरमाइंड एज mxy. mxy इज व्हाट? द पॉइंट विच डिवाइड द लाइन सेगमेंट इन m/n रेशियो. m क्या है? वो पॉइंट है जो लाइन पी क्यू लाइन सेगमेंट को m:n रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है, उसका कोऑर्डिनेट पॉइंट है. सो वी कैन एक्सप्रेस दिस फार्मूला एज mxy mx2 प्लस nx1 डिवाइड बाई m/n m प्लस n एंड my2 प्लस ny1 m प्लस n. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो इज इट क्लियर what how we can learn this formula? The line segment PQ and Q is divided by some other point, what, M, having coordinate xy. So what will be the coordinate point of M which divide line segment PQ? We can express the formula by mxy mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 m plus n. It means students, here you can compare the coordinate of x. So what will be the coordinate of x? The coordinate of x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 m plus n. And what is the coordinate of y? What is the coordinate point of y? my2 plus ny1 m plus n. Okay students, now students, moving to the formula of midpoint, right? Midpoint formula means students, if the line segment AB is given and some point like B which divides the line segment AB in equal ratio, means the ratio will be 1/1. It means m will be 1 and n will be 1. In that case you can determine the midpoint formula. Okay students, so in short we can say that to find the midpoint of straight line in a graph, अगर हम ग्राफ पे स्ट्रेट लाइन का मिड पॉइंट फाइंड करना चाहते हैं, वी यूज़ दिस मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला फॉर दैट एनेबल अस टू फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ द मिड पॉइंट. तो हम ये फार्मूला यूज़ कर सकते हैं जिससे हमको मिड पॉइंट की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट हो जाएगी. सपोज द एंड पॉइंट ऑफ द लाइन आर, ठीक है? एंड पॉइंट क्या क्या है? ए एंड सी है. ए का कोऑर्डिनेट है x1 y1 एंड सी का कोऑर्डिनेट पॉइंट है x2 y2. देन द मिड पॉइंट कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड बाय xy. b having coordinate xy is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay students, so let us see few examples. We can apply the formula of section formula and midpoint formula. Now the first question is the coordinate of the point which divides the line joining the points A 1 minus 2 and B 4 7 internally, right? In the ratio 1:2. Okay students, so here you can see that a line segment having endpoint what? A and B. What are A and B? So the P is a point which divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2. But P is a point which divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2. So students, here A having coordinate 1 - 2 and B having coordinate 4 and 7, right? Point P divides the line segment joining AB internally in the ratio 1:2. So A having, suppose the line segment AB having coordinate 1 - 2 and B 4 and 7, right? P is a point which divides the line segment in m/n ratio, means 1:2 ratio. 1:2 means the value of m is equal to 1 and value of n is equal to 2. So we know the formula for S coordinate of section formula: mx2 plus nx1 m plus n. So here and y coordinate my2 plus ny1 m plus n. Okay students, so here from point A we can determine x1 y1, point B x2 y2. So now we can substitute the value of m and x2 plus n and x1, right? Divide by m plus n means 1 plus 2. So we are getting, similarly for point y we can write value of m and y2 plus value of n and y1. So m plus n. Now 4 into 1 4 plus 2, right? 4 plus 2 and here divide by 3. So 4 plus 2 6 by 3 is equal to 2, means the value of x is 2. And for y 7 plus 2 into minus 2, so minus 4, so 3 by 3, so we are getting y is equal to 1. Okay students, so coordinate of point P, first of all we will write the value of x and then we will write the value of y. So 2 and 1, because the value of x is what? 2 and the value of y is 1. Thus students, here you can conclude that P xy having coordinate 2 and 1 which divide the line segment joining point A and B in the ratio 1:2. Now students, moving to the second question. This question is similar to the first one. The coordinate, find the coordinate of the point which divides internally the line joining a point A -1 2 and B having point 4 and -5 in the ratio 2:3. Okay students, let us see the solution. Here is been the line segment having end point A and B, A having coordinate 1 - 2 and B having coordinate 4 - 5. P is a point which divides the line segment AB in 2:3 ratio. So we can determine x1 y1 and x2 y2. So here is the ratio is 2:3, means the value of m and n are given, means m is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. So x coordinate of the point mx2 plus nx1 m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Now we can put the value of m and x2 plus n and x1, right? And m plus n, so 2 plus 3. Okay students, so we can simplify it. 2 4 is 8 minus 3 divided by 5. So we are getting 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So value of x is equal to what? 1. Similarly, putting the value of m and y2 plus n and y1, right? So m plus n means 2 plus 3. So minus 10 plus 6 divided by 5. So we are getting minus 4 by 5. The value of y is minus 4 by 5. So we can write the point in the form of xy. X is 1 and y is minus 4 by 5. Okay students, so you can conclude that P having coordinate 1 minus 4 by 5 which divide the line segment joining A and B in the ratio 2:3. Now students, moving to the third question. Find midpoint of line joining A having coordinate 2 0 and B having coordinate 0 2. Okay students, when the midpoint can be determined, when the ratio will be equal. If a line segment AB, M divides the line AB into equal ratio, so we can determine the midpoint formula mxy. So x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So we can determine x1 and y1, x2 and y2, right students? So we can put the value of x1 and y1, right, to determine the midpoint. What is x1? X1 is 2 and x2 is 0. So 2 plus 0 by 2, and y1 plus y2 is 0 plus 2 by 2. Okay, so we are getting 2 divided by 2 and 2 divided by 2. So we are getting midpoint is 1 1. So the midpoint of line joining AB is 1 and 1, which did okay. Now the question number 4, if P having coordinates 2 small p in the midpoint of the line segment joining points A having coordinate 6 minus 5 and B having coordinate minus 2 and 11. Okay students, here we have to find out the value of P, because midpoint is given. Just we have to apply the midpoint formula. A having coordinate 6 minus 5 and B having coordinate minus 2 and 11. So midpoint having coordinate what? 2 and P, right? 2 and P. So we know the formula of midpoint, m x1 x comma y. What is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So the value of xy is given 2 and P, x1 plus x2. So we can determine x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, so putting the value of x1 x2, so 6 minus 2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 minus 5 plus 11 by 2. Okay students, here we can compare the coordinates by simplifying these things. 2p is equal to 4 by 2 and 6 by 2. So we want to find out p is equal to 6 by 2. So p is what? 3. Okay students, here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have